Hey guys, Todd with Vapor Hunting Technologies. My tech tip for the day. This question gets asked quite frequently. You haven't used the machine in 4 weeks, 5 weeks, and when you come out to the machine, you turn it on and you hit that foot pedal and you're not getting anything. You may be getting some air through the line, but you're not getting any media through. What happens over a period of time if nothing is running with this machine is the media starts packing down and it gets tighter and tighter and tighter and tighter. Eventually it can brick solid in the bottom of the machine. If you've come out and it's not doing anything, the first thing you should do is open the door, lift the floor. You can take a stick or even reach in there with your hand and kind of stir that media and break it up. Then go back and hit the pedal and see if you don't get slurry coming through. Now on the other side of that, if you know it's going to be a month or 2 months that you're not using your machine, the best thing to do is actually drain the machine. You can actually save the media when you drain it. You can take an old pillowcase and drain through the pillowcase and then pull the media out and save it. You can put it back in later, but that keeps your machine from actually hard packing when nobody's there to use it. The other thing you can do is about every 2 or 3 days, if you can come out to the machine and just hit the foot pedal and do that for 10, 15 seconds, about every 3 to 4 days, it'll keep that media agitated and stirred up. If you have any questions about this, give me a call. Phone number is 828-202-5563. Thanks for watching.